Cool kitchen gadgets you actually need. Hey guys, welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be showing you the cool kitchen gadgets that you actually need. So if you're interested to know about these gadgets, buckle up and let's get started. Rotimatic. Rotimatic is the world's first robot to bake roti, the classic unleavened Indian bread. The recipe for roti bread is quite simple. The spices, water, flour, and oil must be mixed in perfect proportions. The dough is then spread out and put into the oven, heating to a certain temperature. Although automation of this process with the help of a robot may seem strange, the Rotimatic is a truly unique device. The robot can bake roti bread perfectly and with a little to no human intervention at a speed of 1 roti per minute. Much faster than a manual preparation process. The weight of this device is 17 kilograms and the dimensions are 40 centimeters cubed. Visually, the Rotimatic looks like a big bread maker. The kitchen device contains 10 motors, 15 sensors, and 300 parts. It's worth nothing that this is the world's first fully automated roti making device. In addition, the developers say they'll eventually add other recipes to this device. The Rotimatic is priced at $1,000 worldwide. Ori-Kit. A group of Turkish designers have created the Ori-Kit, a unique set of cooking utensils. The main features is that it's the world's first origami. Set all tools in their original shape look like flat polygonal sheets from a relatively soft material that folds. During use, the Ori-Kit includes 4 utensils: a funnel, a spatula, a set of measuring spoons, and a mini colander. Each of the elements is made of silicone and Teflon and can withstand temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, so you don't have to worry about the safety of the device. If you cook at high temperatures, it should be noted that all times are flat, which is significantly save space in the kitchen. The developers also point out that the Ori utensils help to consume products more economically, since the special design of the object facilitates the elimination of leftover food. You can buy this origami set for $32. Suvie. This multifunctional kitchen device can prepare several high-quality dishes at the same time without the pressure of a person in the house. The device prepares foods using the Suvie technique. This method allows products to be prepared in such a way as to maintain the maximum number of vitamins and microelements. When cooking, the food is placed in sealed vacuum bags. The kitchen robotic machine can be controlled through the integrated panel or through a special mobile application. The first thing you should do is to place the products in special compartments and then add water to the internal tank. The device's cooling system works in the same way as conventional refrigerators, but the products cool only for the time specified by the user. When this period ends, the water used to conserve the products begins to heat up. It should be noted that when the user indicates the dish to be prepared in each compartment, the robotic device independently analyzes the preparation time. If special bags for the food are used, the robot automatically analyzes the contents and chooses the preparation mode. The manufacturer guarantees precise calculations that ensure perfect and timely preparation. According to primarily estimates, the Suvie can save up to 6 hours a week, which is what the user spent for cooking. Another advantage of the device is that it's easy to clean, as most products are prepared in disposable containers. Just rinse the tanks with water and detergent. If products are prepared outside of the package, dinner for the whole family. For example, dinner for 4 adults. Cooking outside includes 10,000 recipes including all types of products for a whole meal. In addition, each process can be adjusted to your own preferences. The cost of the kitchen robot is $650 on the official website. Number 4. Perfect. Professional chefs are sure the thermometer is one of the most important tools in the modern cuisine. It's used not only for cooking meat and fish, but also for sauces, desserts, pastries, and bread. The perfect thermometer combines all necessary functions and has a number of advantages over other similar devices. First of all, it's very thin, which means that it doesn't leave big holes in the products. Secondly, Perfect is distinguished by its high precision, and thirdly, it works very quickly, showing results in less than a couple of seconds. In addition, the thermometer can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can buy this indispensable cooking device for only $80. Vegidair. The small Vegidair device is a convenient garden that can be placed directly in the kitchen. Thanks to its size, the Vegidair easily adapts to any kitchen cabinets with a depth of 60 centimeters. The device allows the plants up to 16 different plants simultaneously and can therefore fully satisfy the needs of the entire family. According to the creators, with this device, you can grow almost all the leafy vegetables and aromatic herbs, as well as some fruits and mini vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, for example. The basic set seeds consist of 9 different plants, including basil, onion, mint, parsley, and mini tomatoes. But Vegidair works with another crops that could be purchased separately. It's worth noting that Vegidair is an open system, so developers give users the opportunity to experiment. Another advantage of this device is the freshness of these cultivated products. According to research by scientists at the University of California, plants begin to lose nutrition during the first few days after harvest. But Vegidair owners can rest assured that all cultivated plants will arrive at the table as fresh as possible. Regardless of the time of the year, you can buy the basic garden for $230. Trivae. The Trivae multifunctional stand will appeal to all cooks who appreciate their time and space in the kitchen. With this practical device, you can solve many problems that arise during the preparation of different dishes. In fact, Trivae is only a support for plates or flat objects, but the main advantage of the stand is its flexible design. The shape and position of the Trivae can be changed according to the needs of the user at a given time. For example, it can be an excellent support for dishes you've just washed, for a hot lid or pan, as well as for cutting board and a diameter of the table. Doesn't matter, Trivae can also be used as a flat support for dishes that have just been removed from the fire or the freshly boiled teapot. It should be noted that the position of the device is changed without major effort, as everything is carried out with a few simple movements. The stand is available in 4 colors and will cost potential buyers $40 on the manufacturer's official website. Now, what can you say about these school kitchen gadgets? Please let us know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video.